Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video from our course on how to use Amazon Video Direct to create your own online business inside of Amazon and sell your videos directly into their huge marketplace. Now, as we have talked before, you will need for publishing your videos, you will need some graphics, some images, okay, like a poster and a background image. If you go into your dashboard, into the product that you have created, a video that you have created in the catalog listing, as you have seen before, you will have the key arts with 16:9 ratio and 3:4 ratio. So the background image and the poster. Now, how can you create very easily these images, these posters? Well, you can use a tool that you have probably already heard about, or if you haven't, it's an actually great web-based platform that is for free, and you can design absolutely anything with it, having absolutely no skills in design. It's called canva.com. So you can go to canva.com, as you see here in my browser, and here you will have use custom dimensions. Okay, obviously if you want to play around with Canva and see exactly how it works, you have different templates and things like that, but that is not interesting for us at this moment. What interests us is to create a 16:9 background image and 3:4 poster. Now, if we have a look here back into Amazon, into the key art, okay, for the background image, 16:9 means 192 pixels, 1920 pixels on 1080 pixels. So we go to canva.com back, we press use custom dimensions, we go 1920 pixels and 1080 pixels, and then we press the button design. Okay, and we will go into the editor. So this is how the background image will look like, as you see here, this part. And in the editor we have a lot of options. We can add elements, okay, like photos, shapes, lines, illustrations, frames. We can add our own images, like upload. So if you already have an image that you have created for your video, you can upload it here, then paste it here. For example, let me insert this one. Okay, edit it here. Then you can add some text if you want to. For example, a heading. As you can see, everything is drag and drop, so it works very simple. You can add a heading, okay, how to become an Amazon Video Direct seller. Okay, you can drag it a little bit. You can change the fonts if you want to. For example, we can use this font. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, after you are ready, you have other options here, of course, but I'll let you play around with Canva when you have a little bit of time. You can add different elements, as I've told you before, like illustrations. Okay, let's see here if we find something interesting. For example, we can insert this. Okay, so you can insert different types of graphics, but this was just as an example. And after you are ready with your image, you just change its name into whatever you want. You press the button download, you select what type of download you want to, and both of the types of downloads that you want to practically are accepted by Amazon, so no problem. For example, we will select the first one. Okay, hold tight, preparing your design. We are waiting right now, and our design is ready. It has been downloaded. Then we just have to go to our Amazon Video Direct account, into the catalog listing of our product. We press browse. Okay, we import our fresh downloaded new image, and voila, we will have our image here, and that's it. Then we press save. And obviously, after each of these 4 sections are completed in our product listing here, we will press, that means the images, the videos, the captions, everything. We press the button publish, and they will publish our product. After we press the button publish, you will see your product exactly like mine here. if you go into your dashboard, into your video section, it will wait for publishing to be approved by Amazon. And that's it, guys. After that, after it's published, you will start getting views, you will start getting people to rent, buy your product, you will start getting money from ads if it's for free, and you will start making money out of your videos on Amazon Video Direct. And that's it, guys. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was again helpful for you, and I will see you in our next videos, lectures and courses. Bye bye for now. I wish you all the best. Sorin here.